Hello everyone. Today we learn how to use MapINR app and using MapINR app how to create a KML file, yeah, point, line and polygon. Okay. First of all, you downloaded the app MapINR app from the Google Play Store. Okay. After downloaded, open the MapINR app. Okay. And on your location. After on your location, here showing your current location also. Okay, then go to the three lines, click here, then the settings, and here's this lines also click labels, point, pins, polygon, then the clustering, point, line and polygon also set this. Then here is select map. Okay, open street map. In open street map showing the streets also like this, all the streets. This is Jyotinagar, Juri Fort, is Pub Jyotinagar. So every route show here. Then the see the Google Maps. Google Maps also like this. Listen, every features showing here. Then the Open Street Map. Then Topo Map. Like this is a river, vegetations, field, road, everything showing. Then terrain features, terrain showing her terrain features also. So everyone open the Google Hybrid, check the Google Hybrid maps. So today we learned actually basic things that how to plot the points here also and check the latitude and longitude, actual positions. Then create a new file. Go to this new file plus options. Then create here new file. Then extract using this Google Hybrid map. Then we can extract easily building, yeah, lined or yeah others constructions, routes, vegetations cover, lake, pond, everything. We extract here generally building. So I'll read the name building, create. Then seg here building KML showing. Okay. Now plot it here points. Every building's point. This one a building. Then click this plus point waypoint. Then second one building is like the suppose this one is a building. Point 2. Then third. Okay, waypoint 3. Then you click here to waypoint. Okay. Then here select is the waypoints, buildings, latitude and longitude, position, GPS. Okay. Then send the name also. You can send the name building 1 like this, and send the color also, yeah, location mark also. Then the send the color also like this. Then the see the location. Then do a point to building. Send the name also. Since it is one building 2. Then change the color also. Then change this one also. Then change the mark also, location mark also, and the color. And see the latitude and longitude. Had a latitude 26.190041, longitude 91.790618. Then the timing. Okay, then check here, building file, building 1, building 2, building 3 show here. Then click the file, then we create the folders building, मतलब new file, create new file building name. Then click it, then see new file, rename, we can rename it, then delete also, share file, and save and close file. If you want to share this file, then you want to open it like GIS software, ArcGIS, QGIS. So you can share file from your WhatsApp, then yeah, email, from email, yeah, WhatsApp. After sharing it, you can download the KML version. Then after KML, you can add it conversions, open ArcMap. You convert it from KML to layer. Then edit in your layers also. Then you can properly mapping it. Then the layout mapping, yeah, others purposes. Like this, we can using MapINR app, we can create a KML file also and convert KML file into layers also, using the different GIS software, ArcGIS, QGIS, etc. And like this, we can make also polygon features, line features, root feature, and check the latitude, longitude, and the mapping polygon. We can analyze the total area also, like meters, kilometers, etc. Okay, thanks you. Okay, thank you.